In a forgotten corner of a school lies a door, unopened, unseen, untouched.
Like seriously, my parents are going to burn the house down with me in it if I don't make honor roll.
Well, at least you have a chance of making it.
Have you noticed that door there before?
History is repeating itself at Western Hill High School with another student disappearance. Search parties are now combing the outlying woods, seeking answers to a mystery that has troubled the community for decades.